Purchase or verify license. Go to Microsoft Store or an authorized retailer. Log in with your Microsoft account or create one if needed. Purchase the desired Office version or subscription. Visit office.com and sign in. Click Install Office from the dashboard. Choose the version suitable for your system. Locate the downloaded setup file, for example, setup.exe on Windows or .pkg on Mac. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Office. Open any Office app, Word, Excel, etc. Log in using your Microsoft account to activate your subscription license. Go to Office 365 and log in. Select Install Apps. Run the installer and follow the prompts. To install from a physical disk or offline, insert the Office DVD if applicable or download the offline installer. Enter the product key when prompted. Complete the installation and activate.